Okay, dear students, first video we saw that what is meant by public facilities and which article it is useful for us. Then if it is spoiling, where we are going and asking, where we can go and ask to any government, to the government we can ask these facilities are not happen means. Okay, but then how it is are provided, government how it is providing to us means there are the government's its rule is that government must want to give us this. They want to arrange all the facilities of Indian peoples. Now next, then straightly government will not work through everywhere in India. All over India Indian government will not work. If you listen, there are government school also is there, private schools also is there. Now in education sector, government also is serving, then private also is serving. Government not have that much wealth, then suddenly they cannot give us through everybody want to get no. So how many persons are living in India? More than 100 crore people are living in India. Suddenly they cannot give us what suddenly means what? So straightly they cannot give us help. No, so many organizations, so many contractors, so many private facilities, government as well as private persons, they will help us. No, they want to make a facilities. You see, government is giving money. First, no, if who have a permission, then they want to apply. Who have a permission to build a bridge of anywhere bridge they are making on bridge. First, they want to apply to the government. Then after that, they are going to ask, okay, it's selected. Your contract is selected. Then they will make a very big a bridge. After that, government will give them money. First, they will make a road. Private sector. Why they are collecting toll taxes in India? No, the private sector will make the road in everywhere. Then they have a tax, toll tax. No, if you see the toll tax, they are collecting money for what? They made a road. They make all the facilities of that side from area to area, and they will cover one area. That up to area you are traveling means 200 rupee, 50 rupee, 60 rupee. Like vehicle purpose, they are collecting money for what? The government is allowing without government permission. They cannot able to do. First they made the road. So they made the road. They need money. So they are collecting money to us. No, for tax, road tax. We are using that road. No, so they are collecting road tax to us. But same type you see the transport facilities. If you see, government bus also is there, private bus also is there. But in Madhya Pradesh there is no government bus. But Rajasthan, you see, the Rajasthan is if you see, you can see the Rajasthan government is sending through buses Pobal everywhere. They are using in Tamil Nadu, Kerala. If you see Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra, Punjab, everywhere you can see so many states are using government buses. But same way, the private sector, privates also it is giving service to people. You see, now private buses also it's going on. Where? In Madhya Pradesh, the government bus also is there in city side. Red bus is there in city side. But in this area, what only private buses are only going on. If you see the bus stand, only all buses are private buses. All private buses. Private persons are getting permission to the government. They are running the buses. They are getting permission. They are running the buses through wherever we are going. We are using private sector. But railway is not a private rail. But railway is not a private sector. Now it is came. Now only it is came. But like metro. Metro is a private sector. Same government sector is a railway is a government sector. Government also is a private also is there. In aeroplane, you see the aeroway, private sector also is there. Like what? Private sector is a government sector also is there. Government helicopter, government airways we have, private airways we have. Like we have government facilities. Right? Government school also is there. Private schools also is there. The government also participating, like private organization also will participate with the government to give because government will not do that work, because this much very big country, every peoples as well as those who have money, that peoples want to participate to that peoples, to the Indian persons. They want to give the facility, they want to make the facilities, then they will collect, they can get from money from the government as well as from us. They are collecting from us. Sometimes government hires service of private companies providing what public facilities. Because government need very big companies. Because why government are supporting big companies means big companies have more large number of workers. A very big company means so many people will get benefits. So government in very big companies, government will give a more support to them. More support, loan they will give us. They will give the loan because they want to improve more. Then people will get those who are living this area, people will get more benefits. So it will help the governments. Now it gives us contracts of building roads, bridges, etc. The private companies and some cities, Delhi, Kolkata, private companies are involved in supply of electricity. Electricity, through electricity also what? Electricity also they are giving as a privately they are giving. Now so many the fan, it's not very wind fan. No, it is rotating nowadays. You can see anywhere the wind fan is rotating. In some other persons also, if you can also you can apply for that. Your father also can apply for that. But what making that fan? We want to get that is land. We need the land. Then after that we want to get the permission. Then half money government will give, half money we want to put. Then crore money they will make electricity. Some very big cities, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, like very big cities is there. No, very big city in India. Kolkata, Bombay, Delhi, Chennai. These are very big cities in India. These very big cities are more crowd people are living. So government will not give electricity to the peoples. Every people they will not get, because you see five people are working. 5 people, how much work they can do, how much they can do, that much work they will do. But 100% work, 5% how it will work? It will not possible. So same time government will not give to electricity to all. So they private sector also producing electricity, they are giving to government. They are collecting money to government. After that they will collect the money to the government. But it is under control of government. They will not act as a selfly, but it is under control of government only. You see, if our school is running by itself, but schools are running is a private self, but it is under control of CO, central CO means what? Officer, what educational officer? No, central education CO. CO officer, DO, district officer, district educational officer, DO, like CO. No, they are higher officers. So it is under control of that, because we want to get permission to them. Then we want, as a government, what is the project is everything is going on. Same every private schools also we want to follow. But without the government, any private companies will not work. Without permission of government, it will not work. Only to the government. For what it is working for us. Every facilities, what are the facilities are there? Everything they want to provide us. Everything they want to provide us. Especially private. No, private means it is public means government. Who is that public means we are the government peoples. No, we are the civilians. Public, who is the living that citizen of the people. Public facilities. Public facilities means we are the citizen. Everybody can use that place. What is the public facility? Every people, everybody. For Indian, everybody can travel the road. Every can use that road. Everybody, anyone can go to the temple, church. Everywhere, public facilities means we can everywhere. Anyone can go to the bus stand. These rights we have. These rights we have to live. Article 21 to give us what? Article 21 is giving us what? To live. Article 21 is what is giving? To what? We can live anywhere. The living freedom living freedom facility it's give us. Okay, dear students, what is the public facilities? No, this for the peoples they are making. These things we saw these videos. Okay, next we can see our what is the public, what are the cost, what are the things, these things we can see in next videos. Okay, dear students, what I thought today, what public facility, what is a public facility, what are the public facilities there, what are the public facilities, what is the, what article we have, article 21, about article 21 I thought you. Okay, read nicely. Thank you, dear students. Thank you. One time read in your book, then you can understand very easily. Okay, thank you.